Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how to backup the photos and videos from your Android phone to Google Photos. If you want to make sure that all your photos and videos are safely stored in your Google account, then follow these simple steps. First of all, open the Google Photos app on your phone and also make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once the app is open, you will be able to see all of the photos and videos that are currently stored in your Google Photos library. Now tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Then tap on the backup option. Make sure that backup is turned on. If it's turned off, simply enable it. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner to open the menu. Here, you will find several useful options. You can choose the photos and videos quality, you can manage the default backup setting, and you can also allow backups using mobile data. For backup photos and videos, you can choose between two quality options. Storage saver. Use less storage space but the quality of photos and videos may be slightly reduced. Original quality. Keep your photos and videos in their original quality but it use more storage space. If you want to backup the photos and videos stored in your locked folder, open the default backup option and enable it from there. You can turn this option on or off depending on your preferences. Before backing up everything, make sure you have enough storage available in your Google account. For example, I have used 6.4 GB out of 15 GB, so I still have around 8.5 plus GB of free space, which is enough for my backup. If your storage is running low, you can tap on Manage Storage and purchase additional storage if needed. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you still have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.